Hello and welcome to Business Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, how's it going, my business bosses? Today we're talking about how to start a cleaning business. Many of you have expressed interest in starting your own business and you just don't know how to get started, what's needed. So that's why I'm here today. Today we're going to talk about the cleaning business and let's just hop right into it. So when you think about cleaning, your first question may be, are people really going to pay me to clean their house or clean their office for them? The answer is yes. People will pay for convenience. I say that all the time. We are so busy. Nobody want to clean their house if they can get you to come and do it. They're out working. They're fighting traffic. They have the children. That's one less thing for them to do. So how do you start the cleaning business where you can be profitable, where you can make your clients happy and get to the money? Let's do it, okay? So first you want to research the industry. I always say by starting out, find out what the competition is doing. In your area, put cleaning homes near me on Google. Find out what other people are offering. What's the trends? What's the pricing looking like? What services are they offering? Are they cleaning just bedrooms? Are they cleaning the whole house? What services are included in the competitors' offers? Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. Research the industry, find out what's going on. There's a lot of companies now charging only $19 for the first job. Find out, go to their websites, find out what it is that they're doing, what are they offering. Okay, the next thing you want to do is define your service. Again, what is it that you're going to be doing? Will you be doing commercial properties? Will you only be doing residential? What and where do you want to focus your energies when it comes to your business? And you can do both. You don't have to limit yourself. You can do residential and you can do commercial. Okay, so think about that. And again, always find out what the competition is offering, because if you do cleaning services near me and only residential pop up, that lets you know that there's a need in the commercial space. If you do the same search and you put cleaning services near me and only commercial pops up, that lets you know, hey, there's a need in the residential space. So there's always room for you in starting your business, okay? And even if there are other competitors in the area, do not let that discourage you. Why? Because they can't clean every house. They can't clean every building, right? They just cannot. There's physically no way one person. Can you imagine only one chicken restaurant? Imagine if there was no KFC, the 13 flavors or whatever. The 13 seasonings. Everybody loves KFC. Then you have people who like Popeyes because they like the spicy, they like the crust, right? They like the skin on the chicken. So you got all these different chicken places out here. You got Zaxby's. So there's plenty of room for more than one cleaning business, okay? Also identify your market. Are you targeting the elderly? Are you targeting the younger people? Depends on that, can help you determine what your business is going to look like also. So for example, if you wanted to target like seniors that are living like on their own, like 55 plus communities, that's an excellent place to start your business, because a lot of them, they like living independently, but they may not be able to clean their home the way they want to, or clean their apartment the way they want to. So if you can get in there and just get one client, again, you're going to be able to grow, because they're going to tell their friend, girl, yeah, you don't have to clean up. I got such and such coming out. They're doing it for me. So you got to know who your target is. Or is it more of a young community where they have children, both mom and dad are working outside the home? That's another opportunity. Get into those neighborhoods where they may have extra money and they may be willing to pay you to come and clean. And they're going to tell their friends again, hey, girl, Susie comes out every Friday and cleans, or John comes out every Wednesday. So it doesn't have to just be a female business. This is for men too. Anybody can start their business. Then you want to think about your business structure. Are you going to be the sole proprietor? That means the only owner. Or are you going to be in business with someone? If it's a partnership, it needs to be in writing. Okay, write it down. Make the plan clear. Who owns this? Who owns that? Okay. What percentage are you donating to get things started? What percentage is the other person investing to get things started? Then you want to think about your necessary licensing and permits. Does your city or state require you to have a license to run your business? If they do, you have to get that, okay? Do not run your business willy-nilly. You wouldn't drive a car without car insurance or a driver's license, I hope. The same thing with starting your cleaning business. Make sure you have the proper licensing and insurance in case you accidentally break a lamp in someone's home, or your cleaning supplies messes up someone, damages someone's couch, or their whatever you're cleaning. You could blow up their stove by mistake. Anything, an electrical thing could happen while you're cleaning out the refrigerator, or anything can happen. You need insurance to cover yourself. That's the point. Now let's think about the supplies that you need for your business. What type of supplies? When you're doing a cleaning business, you need cleaning solutions, of course, right? You need things for the window. You need things, you may do something different, spray for the computer. You want to make sure you don't mess up anyone's monitor. The keyboard, they make little spray for that to get the dust out, okay? Make sure you pay attention to the details too while we're talking about cleaning. Don't just surface clean, because if the person come behind you and they do that dust test and they say, oh, I thought she was cleaning, I thought he was cleaning, and you're not, you will be fired, okay? Don't take shortcuts. Also, you need to think about mops, brooms, buckets, vacuums, microfiber cloths, and keeping those cloths separate. It's good to have one bucket or one basket or something for your clean items, and then something for your dirty items, so you don't accidentally call yourself cleaning something with a dirty cloth. Okay, so you got to think about all those kind of things when you're starting a business. It's not the most complicated thing in the world to start a business. However, you do have to put a little thought into it. So I'm giving you some things to think about, okay? Then you want to create a marketing strategy. How are you going to find your clients? The best thing is word of mouth. Try to get into one office or one complex and do one client, and then the word will spread. Also, business cards. Make sure you have your business cards with beautiful colors, with a logo that shows that you're cleaning. Get your Google business page set up and ask every client for a review. And get out in the neighborhood. Just let people know, hey, I started a cleaning business. If your mom needs me, your grandmother needs me, if you have an office space, everybody is your client, because we all have something dirty. And starting a cleaning business, guys, it is growing like crazy right now. So you're really at the ground level of getting your foot into a business that can really prosper and grow for you, okay? The next thing, also use social media. Do you have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? All of these methods will help you to be able to get your business out there in the street so people can know about it. And don't be afraid to pay for advertisements shortly. Not a lot, not a big budget, but just a little bit, just to get the wheels rolling, okay? You may have to pay for advertisement. And then you want to build your team. Eventually getting started, it may just be you going out cleaning a few complexes or homes or whatever. But as you continue to grow, you're going to have to hire a team. Teach your team to clean the way that you clean, which we're going to say is spotless, right? So make sure your team also learns not to take shortcuts, because clients will double check. If you said you're changing out the garbage every night, make sure the garbage is changed. If you said that part of your commitment to your client is wiping down the windows and making sure everything is dusted, make sure you do it, okay? Have a contract with your client. Be clear as to what the expectation is from the person that's hiring you and what you're going to offer. Because you may say, well, I'm going to only dust 3 times per week, but they're expecting you to dust every single day. So you need to make the plan clear, make the contract clear, and you both be in agreement, okay? And back to the team really quick. Again, I cannot emphasize enough. Once you start building out your team, that's when a lot of businesses end up failing. Why? Because you put all your trust into your team. You don't double check them. You figure they're doing what you told them to do. No, you still need to be very hands-on in your business. Make sure that they clean this person's office or home the way you initially started your business, because that's what happens to many businesses. They fail because once they start getting up there, start making a little money, now all of a sudden the quality goes down. They start hiring anybody to save on the budget, to keep more profits. So you don't want to do that. If you want your business to really grow, hire the best, maintain the best, teach them to be the best, okay? And my final thoughts on starting your cleaning business is you got this. So now let's wrap up in a bow. When you are starting your cleaning business, what you should do. First, you want to research the industry, okay? Define your services. What are you going to be offering? Commercial, residential. Who is your target? Young, old, everybody really. What is your business structure? Are you the only person owning it, or are you starting it with your family, boyfriend, whoever? Write it out. Make a contract, because if you don't write it out, it never happened. Also, you want to market your business. Nobody will market your business for you better than you. You know what you offer. You know how you're going to provide that service. You need to be marketing your business. Again, the simplest way to do that is social media, business cards, and make sure you're competitive when it comes to pricing also. Don't be the highest person. Don't be the cheapest person, but be competitive, okay? And also build your team. When you're building your team, you want to pick quality people. Don't just pick anybody because they're a body. Pick someone that's going to have the same standards and morals that you have and represent you in such a way that your cleaning business will grow. Well, until next time, guys, this is Business Life with Kimmi. Bye.